So in this video, we will try to find the antiderivative of the constant functions. So let's assume that we have the constant function given as, let's say, square root of 2, and then our goal is to find the antiderivative of this, or let's say evaluate the corresponding integral of a square root of 2. So if that is the case, then as we know, there is actually, if you have a constant function and then you are going to figure out the antiderivative of that, then the antiderivative is whatever is that constant multiply by, if you are integrating with respect to x, so multiply by x plus c. So that should be the kind of, let's say, constant rule to find the antiderivative of the constant function. And this works because, as we know, antiderivative is a reverse process of the differentiation, let's say, right? So over here, if you differentiate k times x with respect to x, we exactly get k, right? So if that is the case, the antiderivative of k must be k times s. All right, so this is the kind of constant rule we can use to find the antiderivative of any constant function. So we can write down here maybe the constant rule here for this formula or the rule. Okay, so by applying this rule, then what should be the antiderivative of square root of 2? Then square root of 2, which is a constant, right? So you just need to multiply that by x plus c, right? So and that should be the general antiderivative of square root of 2. In the similar way, for example, let's say instead of square root of 2, for example, if we had to figure out the antiderivative of just, let's say, 3, then what should be the antiderivative of 3? The antiderivative of 3 must be 3 times x, right, plus c, right? Do you get the idea, right? So how to work on this one? So by applying the to apply the constant rule. So let's see, if you just have, let's say, dx, then what should be the antiderivative then? Okay, if you just see dx there, then this is something like we have actually 1 times dx, right? So that's what it looks like. So if that is the case, 1 is like a constant, and antiderivative of that should be by following this constant rule over here, 1 times x, right? Or let's say just x plus c. Let's say if you have -5, antiderivative of that would be -5 times x plus c, right? Or let's say if you just have pi as a constant function, then its antiderivative has to be that constant multiplied by x plus c. So this is how we're supposed to find the antiderivative of the constant function. I hope now you get it, how to find the antiderivative of the constant function by watching this video. And thank you very much for watching this video.